What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's gonna rain here again here in Florida, as it does all year round, and I'm getting bit up by mosquitoes. So let's get this video done. I want to show you guys how that little dongle that I bought called Carista, or Carista, however you want to pronounce it, is actually going to diagnose and fix the problem on my Mk4 GTI. So let's take care of this issue. Does anybody know why the needles jump on these cars? I got to replace the whole cluster because the MFD display, that little red display when you turn it on, it's faded. Super notorious for these to go bad. You know, all aged cars have issues. This one apparently has that issue as well. But I'm gonna fix the engine light and the EPC light by switching out this piece of crap, mass airflow sensor. Now this is the factory Bosch mass airflow sensor. It's just bad. And the reason why I say it's bad is, well, it's bad. I took it apart, cleaned it, sprayed it with mass airflow cleaner and electrical cleaner, and thought that was going to do the trick. Well, it didn't. Lights came back on, and it's super easy to replace. All you have to do is loosen those two little screws. They are, let's see here, they are I gotta take the bit out for you guys to know what it is, but they are if you guys can see that, don't know if you can, but it's a T20H, and that is exactly what you need to remove those screws on the mass airflow sensor. Otherwise, they're going to be a pain in the butt because they have a security nut in the middle, and this has the security hole. So you loosen those two bolts, or I'm sorry, screws. You loosen the two connectors from your intake, one on this side, one on that side. Whether you have cold air or ram air or factory, you just loosen the connectors, pull right off. The new one came just like that, but it was capped on both sides with those plastic things. Now I've already went ahead and swapped them out, super easy, and I reset the codes, turned the ignition on, which I'm going to show you now. And they went away. Now the traction control light was just on a second ago. I don't know why the needles do that little jumping thing at startup. So all the lights are gone now, which I'm extremely happy about. Probably gonna come back on. I do need to do the plugs on this, swap out the coil and the wires just to make sure they're up to date. This thing has been sitting for quite some time. No lights, we're good to go. Airbag light though is still on, so a little bit more diagnostic testing there, and we should be ready to go. So I'm gonna run the codes, run the scanner one more time on my Carista app. I know you're not really supposed to do this with the car on, but screw it, we're gonna do it anyways. 0 faults detected. Freaking awesome. Now it's not going to tell me what the airbag light is on for. It's probably an unplugged sensor wire. I do see a green plug under there that doesn't appear to be plugged in. So another day I'm going to pull the seats out and I'm going to do a deep cleaning on this. I need to order a shift boot and shifter because, well, that's seen better days. The only thing I need to order here is a new trim piece because this thing, as you guys see it, it's kind of like bowing out. I don't know if you guys can see, but when I do that, you can kind of like push it in and it moves the whole thing in. Now, with that being like that, I can't open the cup holders because it's pushing it this way. Now I have a bunch of little, like, tiny little insects that are running around here. Like I said, it's been sitting for a month that I was told before I got it, and it's been sitting for a couple days since I've owned it. But I'm so happy all those lights are gone. let's just hope and pray they don't come back on for the same reason. Thanks for watching the video, guys. That's going to be the end of it for this episode. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content, make sure you're subscribed. Drop a comment below of what you want to see next. I am gonna wrap it. Tell me what you guys think I should wrap it the color. Probably gonna do white wheels. I'm not gonna tell you exactly what wheels I've already picked. It's gonna be a surprise. See you guys on the next one.
It's caught in the crossfire.